Okay, first read the data. A point P moves toward another point O. ओके, जो एक पॉइंट है वो O पॉइंट से मूव कर रहा है. ओके, और कितना मूव कर रहा है 80 mm. तो यहाँ पे 80 mm उसकी रेडियस दी हुई है. एंड इट रीचेस इज ड्यूरिंग 2 रेवोल्यूशन. ओके, वो जहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा वो वहाँ पे एंड करने के लिए कितने रोटेशन ले रहा है, वो एंड करने के लिए 2 रोटेशन. ओके, और कौन से डायरेक्शन में, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. ऑल्सो कॉल्ड दिस ड्रॉ दी कर्व ट्रेस आउट बाय द पॉइंट पी एंड नेम इट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे उसका नाम भी देना है. तो नाम क्या है, द नेम ऑफ द कर्व इज आर्किमिडियन स्पाइरल. ओके, और गिवन डेटा में क्या है, रेडियस दी हुई है 80 mm. ओके, और कर्व कितने रोटेशन के लिए ड्रॉ करना है, फॉर दी 2 रोटेशन. ओके, नाउ वी ड्रॉ दी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. Okay, in this data radius r is 80 mm. So first we take the horizontal line. Okay, and give the dimension here. Radius is 80 mm. So I take this distance 0 to 8. Okay, this O and this A. This distance is 80 mm. Okay, this distance is 80 mm. So the total distance is 160 mm. Total distance is 160 mm. Okay, now take the O center, A radius. Now take the O center, A radius. Okay, now take the O center, A radius and draw the circle. Okay, now draw a vertical line perpendicular to the horizontal line and pass from the point O. Okay, this point is C and D. Clear? Now divide a circle in 8 equal parts or 12 equal parts. Here we divide the circle in 8 equal parts. Okay, or you know that in 8 equal parts we take the angle 45 degree. That here we take the angle 45 degree. So all angles are 45, 45, 45. Okay, if you don't have a protector, take the radius B, center O and R, and then point D and R. Okay, turn that all four sides. Now you see that I mark that side R. Okay, now join the O point. Take the scale that O and that R and join that line. Okay, now second, arrange the scale O point to that point. Okay, and join the line. Okay, same that point and O. Okay, and that point and O. Now clear? If you don't have protector, so use this arc method. Now clear? So we here we draw the circle. Here we draw the curve in clockwise direction. So this is the starting point. So curves like this. Okay, so we give the point name 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and that point is 8. We know that we draw a spiral for 2 rotation. If we draw the spiral in 2 rotation, this 0 to 8 point is 1 rotation. Now start with 8. So 8, second 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 0 to 8 is 1 rotation, and 8 to 16, 8 to 16 or that point is also called as 16. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 rotation, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are the second rotation. Okay, now we know that if we divide the circle in 8 equal parts, we divide that line in 8 equal parts. Okay, for 1 rotation. Here we draw the curve for 2 rotation, so we divide that line in 2 rotation. 2 rotation means, okay, circle rotation is 360 plus 360. Okay, circle rotation is 360 plus 360. Now if we divide a 1 rotation circle in 8 equal parts, so 1 rotation circle in 8 equal parts, total we divide in 16 parts. Total we divide the 16 part of a line O2A in 16 equal parts. 16 equal parts. Okay, this is the circle rotation. Circle rotation is, one rotation is 360 and second rotation is 360. Okay, we draw the curve for 2 rotation. If the 360 1 rotation, circle divided in 8 equal parts, so 8 equal parts, 360 8 equal parts, so 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So we say that if the circle if the curve is if the curve is rotated 2 rotation, we divide a line O to A. We divide a line O to A 16 equal parts. Okay. Okay, 16 equal parts. Here O to A. Okay, O to A distance is equal to 80 mm. So we divide in 16 equal parts. Okay, so 5 mm, one part is 5 mm. Okay, if the distance O is 60 mm, if OA is 80 mm, so we divide the line in 16 parts. So 18 divided by 16 equal to 5 mm. Okay, so one part is 5 mm. Okay, here we divide the O2A in 16 parts. Here we divide the O2A in 16 parts. Okay, you give the point, that point is 0, so we start the right to left. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 14, and that center point is 16. Okay, now we know the procedure. First take the O center, 1 radius, and draw the curve 8 Draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 1. Which pass from the point 1. First, O center 1 radius. Okay. O center 1 radius. Okay. Draw the curve. Draw the curve at extension line. Draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 1. Now we take the second point. We take the second point. So O center second point radius. O center second point radius and draw the R at extension line which pass from the point. Draw the R at extension line which pass from the point 2. So it gives the point 1 means P1, P2, okay. We take same O2 3, O2 3, O center 3 radius and draw the curve at extension line. Draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 3. Now take the O center 4 radius. Take the O center 4 radius and draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 4. Now take the O center 5 radius. Take the O center 5 center and draw the R at extension line which pass from the point 5. Now we take the O center 6 radius. We take the O center 6 radius and draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 6. Now O center 7 radius and draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 7. Okay. Now we take the center O center 8 radius. O center, okay. O center 8 radius and draw the R. If you draw that curve, it's like circle because this is your starting point and this is your end point for one rotation. This is starting point and this is end point for one rotation, and that 8 point starting 8 to 16 is second rotation. Okay, we take this point. Now we take the O center 9 radius and that one is 9, that point is 9 and that one is extension line which pass from the point 9. Okay, O center 9 radius. Okay, O center 9 radius and draw the curve at extension line. Draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 9. Okay, okay, P5, P6, P7, that one is P8, that is P9. Now same O center 10 radius. O center 10 radius and draw the curve at extension line. Draw the curve at extension which pass from the point 10. Okay, P10. Now same O center 11 radius. O center 11 radius and draw the circle at extension line which pass from the point 11. same O center 12 radius, O center 12 radius, and draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 12. Take the O center and 13 radius, and draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 13, Now same, take the O center, okay, take the O center and 14 radius, okay, and draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 14. Okay, now last, O center 15 radius, and draw the curve at extension line which pass from the point 15. If your compass is not work on that 5 mm distance, so you use the circle master. Okay, now that circle. Okay, that is the point. Is P15. Okay. Okay, you say that O center and 15 radius, we draw a circle at that extension line which pass from the point 15. Okay, and that one O center is your last point P16. Okay, P16. Okay, and you know that we join the point, that was starting point and that one is your end point. Okay, this is P0. So join to P0 to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, P3 to P4, P5, P6, P7 and P8. Okay, this is one rotation. Now for second rotation, P8 to P9, P9 to P10, P10 to P11, P11 to P12, P12 to P13, P13 to P14, P14 to P15 and last 16. Okay, now we join it. Okay, clear? Okay, first row the P0 to P1. Okay, second P2 to P1, third P2 to P3, okay, third P2 to P3 या P3 to P2, P3 to P4, okay, P4 to P5, P5 to P6, P6 to P7, P7 to P8. Okay, now P8 to P9, P9 to P10, P10 to P11, P11 to P12, P12 to P13, 14, 15. Okay, you say that 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15, and last 15 to 16 means that type. Okay, that your end point, that your start point. Okay, thank you.